Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make this fish, which is so easy. It's beautifully spicy. It's got some lovely aromatics in there. I've got some lovely fillet fish. We're going to make this beautiful little accompaniment just to go on the side. It doesn't take long at all. It is absolutely wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got some beautiful fillet fish here. I've got a sea bass. Really beautiful indeed. Lovely and fresh, just came in today. Skins off, nice and chunky. We're going to season that and fry that off first. So we're going to start with a spoon of chili powder, a spoon of green cardamom powder, a spoon of black pepper, a spoon of turmeric. Also, the same amount of salt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my glove on, give that a little rub around. You just need to roughly get it on as much as you can. Then we're going to head off to the cooker to fry this in some oil. Okay, so I've got a pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you wanted, use coconut oil, mustard seed oil. I've got the heat on, just now put the heat on, and that is on just above medium. And because we've got a nice fillet here, we're going to go just for about 4 minutes aside. Delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. We're going to take that fish out and we're going to do some more things in that oil. I'm going to reduce that oil by about 50%. Okay, take a look at this chopping board. So I've got 1 tomato cut, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 onion sliced, some fresh curry leaves, a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and then I've got some green chilies. This is all going to go in one time into the pan. So reduce the oil down by about 50%. We've got some lovely flavors in there from the fish. We're going to drop in our garlic and ginger. Then we're going to go with everything I just showed you, which is the onion, the chili, the cumin seeds, the curry leaves, all in one time. We are on an above medium heat. Beautiful. 3 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat. Literally, it's just 3 minutes on a nice high heat. That's done, beautiful. If you wanted, you could put some cilantro or fresh coriander in there. I'm keeping it just like this. Fantastic. And there you go. Wonderful fish with that lovely mixture just there. I recommend you eat this with some chapati, roti or naan, some sort of bread. Have it with rice if you want, but yeah, I love to get some bread. Grab a bit of the fish, grab a bit of that. Fantastic. Really happy with that. I love that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.